Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. Coming to you from Southwest Florida. We're in Mackle Park on Marco Island. Sun's just coming up over the palm trees. It is Friday, August 6th. The unemployment data comes out today. They're looking for a very strong number. Consensus is at 845,000 jobs added. Although the range of estimators has gone from like 300,000 to 1.2. This could be a market mover today. We've been bouncing off lows in the 10-year note yield. It had a double bottom at 1.12. If we have a really soft number, it could test or blow through that today. What does that have to do with anything? That's going to affect mortgage rates. Mortgage rates will go lower. Demand will go higher because of affordability. That will be shrinking our inventory even further. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. Give me a call if you want to buy, sell, invest, build, or rent, whether it's commercial or residential. 219-406-6482. 219-406-6482. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. And make it a great day.